Hey guys, Joanne here with Newegg TV. I'm here to do an overview on this SENTEY Extreme Division Arvina GS6410 Plus 3.0 full tower computer case. This case is made of steel with some plastic, and up at the front we have plenty of mesh grille for ventilation, and at the top here we have your 8-in-1 card reader. Below that, we have 5.25-inch drive bays. The top two are a spring-loaded design, so the cover will open and close with your drive. And below that, we have your pre-installed 140mm blue LED fan. On this side, we have some honeycomb ventilation holes and two pre-installed 120mm blue LED fans, a slice of window so you can see inside. And on the back, they've routed your two USB 3.0 pass-through cables through the grommets already. And below that, we have your 120mm blue LED fan, knockout for your input-output shield for your motherboard, 7 expansion slots, some more ventilation holes, and a bottom power supply mount. At the top of the case, we have your two pre-installed 120mm fans, and beneath this cover, we have your eSATA port and your standard SATA port next to it. And if it's plugged in internally, they've included these cables here for you so that when you plug in your data and power here, you'll be able to plug in a drive on the other end. And here are your two USB 2.0 ports, two USB 3, your headphone and microphone jacks, your reset button, and your hard drive indicator light. And these 4 buttons are to turn your fan LEDs on and off, and here is your power button. On the bottom of the case, we do have some raised feet for airflow and some rubber pads to reduce vibration. And they've included some cutouts here for you with some mesh behind it and a mount for a 120mm fan here and some ventilation holes for where your power supply sits. I've already removed the thumb screws for the right side panel, and all you have to do is press on this latch here to remove the panel. Inside, we have a cutout for your aftermarket heatsink, some holes to route your cables through, and they've included these sticky cable ties here for you and also organized your cables. You also have a gap here to route some more cables, and they've plugged in your case fan LEDs. Here's your reset button and your hard drive indicator light, and these 4 buttons will turn your fans on or off. Before we take a look at the interior, here's another look at your two 120mm fans with its 2-pin connector where you plug into the header. And as you can see, it is fully painted black. It is compatible with micro ATX, ATX, and E-ATX motherboards. And here's another look at your rear 120 and your top two 120s. They're all already plugged in. And here is a look. Oh, wait. There's some foam here for your power supplies as to reduce vibration. And here we have a bunch of your front panel connectors. Let's see here. These are your audio connectors. And here all bundled up, we have your power, LED, and reset. And this is the Molex plug to power your fans, as well as another fan header, where you should probably plug in your side fans. And these are your SATA plugs and your Molex plug to power the SATA ports at the top of the case. And here we have your connector cable for the card reader at the front of the case. And on this side, we have your 5.25-inch drive bays. It is a toolless design, simply push down to release. Below that, we have your 5 3.5-inch drive mounts. Sorry, this way. However, you can also mount 2.5-inch drives as well. And to remove the cage, simply press down here on this tab and pull it out. These are the accessories included in the box. We have your product warranty, user manual, and this box of accessories. Inside, we have your cleaning cloth, PCI slot cover, 2 plastic motherboard standoffs, screwdriver, motherboard speaker, and this bag of motherboard standoffs and mounting screws. Here's a demo of the case LEDs. We have your front fan here, your 2 side fans, your 2 top fans, and finally, the rear fan. And these 4 buttons here at the top of the case, if I press them, they will turn the fans off. There we have it. That wraps up our overview on this SENTEY Extreme Division Arvina GS6410 Plus 3.0 full tower computer case. I'm Joanne, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our Newegg YouTube channel. Thanks for watching Newegg TV, and we'll see you next time.